And the other one was shouting in Chinese language. So pinuntahan po namin yung isa. And then it turned out yung isa palang sumisigaw na yon nakatali po doon sa loob ng isang kwarto at humihingi po ng tulong. Sabi niya nandun po siya for almost 10 days. The torture is continuous, the beating is continuous. Kaya when we entered the room, parang nagpapanik siya kasi he thought na we are yung mga torturers na we're part of the torture team na magto-torture sa kanya. So, if you go around the illegal Pogo Hub, it's like normal to see torture equipment. In many rooms, there are a lot of torture equipments. There are baseball bats na UP na. There are tasers. Nagkalat namin. In other Pogo Hubs, there were torture